Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to help you understand social media better and grow your business. Today, I am going to be chatting all about the 2022 social media trends and how I feel about them. So if you want to learn about a few of the social media trends that I think that you should look forward to, keep watching. Okay, so today's video is all about the 2022 social media trends that I think that you should look out for. So the first trend that I think that you should look out for is creators being plugged, okay? So business owners and brands are definitely moving towards working with smaller creators. Working with smaller creators is just more authentic to brands, and they are starting to see the value that smaller creators have. So if you are a nano influencer, a micro influencer, know that it is your time and it is going to be on the rise to work with creators. Even if you aren't an influencer, working with creators who create different forms of content is also going to be something that brands look forward to and will want to work with you on that. Meaning brands are going to also start moving towards created branded content. So if you are a creator and all you do is create content for other brands, 2022 is going to be lit for you, mark my words. The second trend is social media ads are going to be on the rise. I'm not sure if you've been on Facebook or Instagram lately, but it has definitely been an uptick in social media ads. Not saying that organic marketing is going down. It is definitely not. Organic marketing still works really, really well, but more brands and businesses are beginning to tap into social media ads on Instagram and Facebook, even places like YouTube as well. Again, there is going to be a rise in social media ads because brands and businesses are trying to get their products and services in front of more people, and the way to do that is definitely to utilize ads. I do think that if you are going to utilize Facebook and Instagram ads, that you should definitely have an organic foundation set first, so that when you do reach more people, you already have that foundation set. When you bring people back to your social media pages, they will be able to see the education that you provide to your audience and all the amazing things that your brand stands for. The third trend is the rise of social commerce. So Instagram has been adamant with coming out with tools to help business owners. The most recent tools that I've seen that they've come out with is live shopping. So you now can go live on Instagram, and it's like a QVC. You can be talking about a product, and you can also have the product scroll across the bottom of the screen so that your audience can purchase that product. When someone purchases that product, it will come again across the screen that says such and such put this in their cart, such and such purchased this product. So it will be really amazing for you or your brand to go live. If you have a launch, that will be an amazing time to go live, talk about your launch, present your products to your audience, and they can buy it right there in real time during the live. So social commerce is definitely on the rise. Brands, and especially Instagram, are finding more ways for brands to be able to utilize the features. Now there's already the shopping feature on Instagram where your audience doesn't even have to leave the app to purchase your product. So again, make sure that you stay on top of all the latest social commerce trends and how they are going to be on the rise in 2022. So those are all the trends that I want to share with you. I want to thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I can't believe it's 2022 already. So make sure that you get on top of these trends early in the beginning of the year so that you can take advantage of how they can help your business. So make sure you check that out. Again, I want to thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and I will talk to you all in the next one.